Hey friends, in today's video we are going to learn how we can change the worksheet tab color in Microsoft Excel, and here are the procedures to follow. First of all, I will have to open the workbook in which I want to change the tab color. So what I'm going to do, I'll go and select the window start, and then I'll open Microsoft Excel. After opening Microsoft Excel, I'll go ahead and open a blank workbook, and then in this blank workbook, what I will do, I will go ahead and see, and I can add more tabs on this sheet. I have sheet 1. This is what we call the tabs, which I will be changing the colors. I have sheet 1, sheet 2, I have sheet 3, I have sheet 4. So then 5, I'm going to change all these 5 sheets into different colors. Then you can see how that one is done. So to do that, first click or select the first sheet, then right click on it, then you get a list of options. Out of those options, select one which is called tab color. Now in those tab colors, you can see a list of colors. So in this case, I'm going to say this one is going to be blue color. Then go to sheet 2, right click on it, select tab color, then you can choose, you can give that one a red color. Go to another one, right click, select tab color, you can give that one green. Go to another one, select tab color and give that, can say maybe it's yellow. And then go to the last one, select tab color, and then from there you can give the color to black. Can give the color to black color. Now you can see in my worksheets I have these tabs named sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 and sheet 5, and all of them they have different colors. And the main purpose for this video was to show you how to change the tab in these sheets, the theme of the tab in form of colors, by assigning them colors so that it can easily be differentiated and allow you to easily access them, and depending on your color desires. So that's how you can do it. So in the next video we shall look at other techniques on how to use more tools in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.